Happy any kind of Monday. It's
Yep.
Monday. Whether we want it or not, it's here.
It's here.
I like mutt loving Monday. You know, every
That
day is
one's
a
great.
mutt loving day. Yeah, but it's a good day to love your mutt. Love on your mutt. Hi, everybody. I'm Patty Quinn from We Heart Hounds. I'm here with the wonderful, the amazing Hillary Buholtz.
Hey, everybody.
And we are here. I've got a little pointy thing showing up. We're here to show another little kiddo craft in love of our canines, our canine best friends. We show up kind of in the middle of the week a couple times to share some ideas that you could do with your kiddos, especially with all the stay-at-home time stuff going on. So if you know anybody that's got some kiddos or is looking for some inspiration, sprinkle the puppy love, and we're going to jump right into this one today. So this one is super cute.
I love those.
These are little party hats. So everybody, I think there's a kind of a craze now. People are wanting to have their kiddos' birthday parties or graduation parties or any kind of parties celebrating pups, which I think is, there's always a reason to celebrate when you've got a pup around. And I just thought these were just the cutest little little party hats that you can have with your pups as a theme. And so really the trick to this one is you're going to want to get construction paper that's pretty large.
Okay.
I started with the standard like 8x11 or whatever 8x10 sheets of construction paper, and you would make little
little bitty hats.
Little hats. They'd be cute for like place cards, you know, like place settings around the table. I thought that would be really cute. But I think they're really fun too to make them a little bit bigger. So basically what I did was I kind of had this off-white, kind of a beige color construction paper. And I took a salad bowl, like a really big, whatever your biggest bowl is, and you trace out that circle and then you fold it in half. And you're really just going to use a half a circle for this. And then you kind of make a cone shape. And to me, the easiest way to finish off the cone instead of gluing is just staple it. Yep. It just holds that tension in place. You don't have to worry about the glue kind of unsticking and that kind of stuff. Everything else I used a glue stick for. So that part is pretty easy. You might want to use tape for the ears if that becomes a little bit of a challenge because you're gluing on a kind of curved surface. Yeah. But these are really cute. I mean, they're so simple. You can just add a couple little spots, a little big spot around the eye. I love the little mouth.
It's adorable. I love his little expression.
So cute. It's hysterical. And then of course I have a little friend here. I needed to make a little sister. This was in honor of Lulu a little bit. Aww. So this was Lulu. And so we've got, again, just, you know, you can make whatever kind of colors and spots you want on your pup. This one's got, you know, a big spot on the bottom and another one on the ear, a couple of them on the ear. So I just thought these were really adorable and a lot of fun. And you can make them in any colors, any size, any shape. And just have your kids have a lot of fun. This could even be part of the craft at your kids' party. You know, they can make their own birthday hats, which I think would be really fun to do.
So how big was the piece of construction paper that you ended up using your template on?
Yeah, so I want to say it was like 2 feet by 1.5 feet, maybe. Okay. You don't need the width, but you need kind of that or the length, you need kind of that width. So the salad, you know, whatever your biggest salad bowl is, right? It's probably, I don't know, foot and maybe 12, 14 inches, maybe 14, 16 inches is a salad bowl. So whatever that size is. And then you'll have 2 semicircles and you can make 2 hats out of that.
Awesome.
So that made it really super fun and super easy. You can get a little hole punch, punch a little hole and add a little ribbon. So, you know, it'll stay on their head. And you know, they can tie it on that way. But yeah, these were just too cute.
So
I could, and I just love the little, I don't know, that little mouth just cracks me. You don't have to do a whole mouth. And the really big nose too, I thought was really, it just adds a lot of personality to these. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoys this little craft for today, inspires you to get out there and have some fun. And even if there isn't a reason to party, man, today's a great day to party, right? Just have an impromptu party with your kids, have them sit all around the kitchen table, make their own little party hats. just grab some construction paper or printer paper. The hats don't have to be this
Yep.
big. Kids are smaller, have smaller heads than adults anyway, so maybe the smaller size would work. And, you know, just make a nice little treat and have your own little tea party or fun little cookie party or whatever at home for any old reason, just because it's Monday, right?
Yep.
We all need reasons to celebrate, so there's always one around. But anyway, thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed our little fun craft today. We'll be back in a couple days for another one. Please subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff with Facebook and YouTube and Pinterest and Instagram. We're out there everywhere. We've got some really cool giveaways going on. If you check out our YouTube channel, there's a Kong giveaway that you're welcome to subscribe to and participate. It's a bundle of all kinds of good stuff. And we've always got giveaways and fun prizes and fun things going on all the time. So we welcome you guys to enjoy the family at We Heart Hounds, and we'll just keep coming back for more and more and more.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Hug your puppies for us.